quite a few people asking us whatever happened to the jet powered go-kart. The jet engines were basically the thing that got us into doing YouTube videos. We'll put some videos together for a forum I was on, and they got linked into YouTube, and that's where it all started from. The jet powered go-kart was sold on. The problem I had was finding somewhere to use it. The local constabulary were not very impressed at all when the court was using it now. I was just told to go away and not come back. Anyway, that being said, I've been thinking of doing a project video over the winter, doing a little bit and probably putting a video on once a fortnight or even once a month, maybe a half hour or an hour long video just to show the progress. And what I would like to make is another gas turbine, not on a go-kart, but a jet engine or a gas turbine made from a wagon turbocharger. So what I need is, if anybody's got a wagon turbocharger lying in the corner of their shed that they're not using, it needs to be something with probably a 50mm entrance hole, a 50mm induction hole, to make something of a decent size. There's been loads of opportunity for fabricating, for welding, for machining. It's been an ongoing project. That's what I fancy doing. If anybody's got any interest in us doing a video like that, just put a thumbs up and say, yeah, you'd like us to do one. I'm sure it will be all good fun. Anyway, enjoy the video that's coming up. It's got nothing at all to do with jet engines or gas turbines. This is part of an old circular saw that a friend of mine is restoring. And what he wants me to do is these parts here are quite badly worn. He's had the slot on the machine milled out to 15mm, and he wants me to take this off here, mill two slots in, and set in a piece of 15mm steel. I've got some 16mm key steel here. I'll machine this down to 15. Then mount this, machine the slot out, and I'll put that into there, pull it in with two cap heads, countersunk on each end, and once that's firmly in place, then I'll cut the centre out. Just to make sure it stops nicely lined up. I wrote the size on 15mm so I can't go wrong. There's quite a bit of wear on here, but I'm sure I'll be able to pick up a true centre on it. Fortunately for me, this face here has been machined, so I'll be able to mount it on that face there, put some blocks in it and pack it up. But the first thing is to machine this down to 15mm to make these two keyway pieces out of. I lost the base handle more than I lost the 19mm spanner. I lost it in its place, the bastard thing. Right, we found the spanner. If you tighten the base up like that, what can happen is this jaw can actually lift the part up. The back jaw is fixed, the back jaw can't move. So what you can do, or what I do, is put a little piece of aluminium TIG welding wire into there like that. You tighten up on that, and that deforms and takes up any discrepancy. It's absolutely solid on the right, that's solid all the way down on that parallel. Got a nice tight hold of it so I can machine this down. I won't use this bangwood face but to machine it down at once about a mil taken off it, so we'll take a cut and see how level it actually is and then go from there. I'm doing it in this direction because it puts all the chips that way, not all over me. Maybe the fanny's under, but near enough 15, it makes no difference, and not a bad finish. Fortunately I have got that face there which has been machined that I can mount it on. Just clean some of the rust of it. Definitely been machined, you can see the machining marks on it. Right, we've got something to go at. I was looking to see what parallels I had to go on there. I haven't got any big enough really to clear this bit here. What I have got however is the top of my vise. I should have rested on there, or clamp it onto there somehow and use that. Just use that as a big parallel really. One or two ding marks in there, we'll take them off. Right, so now hopefully still not quite enough height. Wants to be that way like that. That feels good. I'll move the vise down that way a little bit. Make sure to clamp it to there. Obviously check it for level. Line that kiwi, I suppose it is, up. And then put a big miller cutter down through there. I'm going to move the vise down that way a little bit so I'm working underneath the quill in the centre of the table. Right, that's going to go something like that. And put a pin in there and get a good hold of that end. Same at this end. And clamp right up on top of here. I'm sure that will do the job. I'll clamp it up first and then run a clock on it and make sure that this is parallel. Bearing in mind it's going to be used on a wood butcher and saw, but we still want to get it as good as we possibly can. Right, I've managed to get it mounted very securely actually. Two good clamps on there and one on this end. It's a cast iron. I'm only going to be carefully milling the slot into there. I need to make sure that this is lying level as I can possibly get it. I've cleaned that face up with just a little bit of Scotch Brite just to take the rust off. I've got a clock gauge on it. Set a 0. Right, then we'll have a look and see what's going on. It's 10 thou. It's coming back up. Back to 0. For a casting that's 100-year-old, I don't think 10 thou is going to make a great lot of difference. I need to make sure it's lying level in that plane as well. And we're only putting a 15mm slot down the centre. Basically nothing. So this part is lying, to all intents and purposes, square. I'll bring it down and I'll try it across this side just to make sure. Not a kick in the arse off. And now we need to make sure that the face of this keyway is lying in line with the axis of the machine. So what I've done, I've got a little bit of key steel that I'm going to rest onto there, because these are quite badly worn, so that's going to hit the two highest places, I suppose, and give us an average. We'll bring this in to just touches, set a 0. I have spent a little bit of time knocking this around. I've got it within sort of 0.2 of a mil. Point 3. So it wants to come towards me a little bit, so we'll do a gentle back to the other end again. And that's everything's touching nicely. And it did jump that 0.1 when I turned it on, so that's looking not bad at all. Okay, now we'll bring it across and we'll try it on that face. That's not bad. Right, that's better than 0.1 of a millimetre. I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to hold that gently up against the two faces, bring it in till it stops moving, and then it'll kick off like that. 0 the axis. Then I'm going to go to the other side. Same thing, hold that, bring it in till it stops moving, do it again. Right, kicked off there. So far, half the y-axis. I'm going to read 22. It could be anything, it's not a, actually it's a distance between the two halves. I'm going to do it once more. Right, so we'll bring it in, it touches this time. Bring it in, it touches. Stops moving, then kicks off. There. 0. Put to the other side now. Do it again. Sit there. Same reading, 44. Half, that's 22.1. Turn that to 0. Right, that's the spindle right in the centre of there, so it'll lock up the y-axis. Once again, it's a cheap and cherry Vanguard milling cutter, this time a 12mm one. We want a 15mm slot, so we'll put a 12mm slot in first, then open it up each side to get the 15. It's cast iron, it's fairly soft. I'm not sure how to use this cutter, I use one of the aluminium ones. We'll give it a try first and see just what happens. Right, it's all ready to make a start. Just touch it off. I have just got enough travel. That's the full travel there. That was right. Right, we'll put a cut on. Here's 1.5mm, I would think we'll take that no problem. Try a little bit more. Yeah, that'll be 2.5. Putting that no problem at all. I'm just going to try the other cutter, the aluminium cutter, and see what sort of result that has. Just for my own interest, really, just to see if it makes any noticeable difference. So again, we'll touch it off. Another 2.5mm cut. I think that's better. It's certainly taking bigger chips. Just going to run out of travel. That's it there, I haven't got enough, but just enough. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishes that have been coming in. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button, it does make a big difference. Anyway, thanks for watching.